So this is just a quick video because I was doing some stuff with Box2D and I thought it was very confusing, this whole compiling and running Box2D with your project thing. So let me show you how we actually do that on Linux in this example. So we clone this, we download it, and then we go like that, and we extract the files. So like this. Okay, so right here we have this whole map. Now, how to actually compile this library? All you actually have to do is run this on Linux, of course. Run this build.sh file, and we run it, and here we go. This is it. On Windows, you of course run this build.bat file. So what are we actually looking for when we want to compile this library with our project? First thing that we're looking for is this include file directory. In here are basically all the headers that are needed. And the second thing that we're looking for is actually in here. So like that. And it's this libbox2d.a file. And let me show you how you actually include this library with your project. So we cut this and we will just throw it in here. And then we copy this and this. And then we just copy and paste these two files and file directory, of course, into our project. So the same thing that I've done here. So you see we have this include file project, and I made this lib directory in which I've put libbox2d.a. Now, to include this library in your project, you need to include the header file, and you do it like that, basically. Don't mind these other includes for me because I'm using SDL together with Box2D, and it doesn't make any difference. So we need to include this, and when compiling, we need to add some stuff. So we need to tell the compiler that we must compile together with this library. So library is this .a file right here. So first flag that we set to a compiler is this -i include /. So this tells the compiler that all the .h, all the header files, are in this include directory. The next thing is this -l-lib, and this tells the compiler again that all the necessary libraries are in this lib directory. Then we tell, of course, the name of our actual C++ file, and then we add this lbox2d. So what this does is includes this libbox2d.a library. You can see here that instead of lib, it is just L, and this is how it should be. And then this is my flag for SDL, and then that we should output to main.out file. So let's see. And of course it compiles. So if I just run, yeah, it works. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.